Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to create a timeline in Excel. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to create a timeline in Excel, this 2023, what you're going to do first is open up the Excel. And as you can see here in home, there are different readily available templates that Excel can give you. Now, what we're going to do is press on these more templates. Then, let's search for a timeline. So, as you can see, there are different templates that shows you. So, for example, this project timeline, milestone and project status timeline, work plan timeline, milestone infographic timeline, wedding timeline planner, vertical timeline, and many more. So, let us choose one from this. For example, let's choose this milestone and project status timeline. So here, you're gonna have a visual overview of your project timeline. You can learn about tracking your project with a scatter chart that shows milestone and tasks with durations. Timeline and project management templates are available at Vertex 42. So let's create. So as you can see, there is a project tracker and you can use this template to record important project information such as major milestone and specific task. So you can see here on other tabs, you can see here the dates and the task. You can change the name of the task, and there is about this template. So this template uses a scatter chart with data labels and error bars to create a project timeline. So it explains you on how to use this template. So if you want to check other, you can do so. But for this tutorial, this is the one that I give as an example. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. Now, if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!